Hello, my name is Asif Iqbal. I am the physics teacher at Umeed Global School, Kolkata, West Bengal. I have been through this ILM Science Academy since last 5 days and I am learning so much experiments of physics. One thing I want to say about this academy is that the teachers, the mentors, especially Satyanand sir and assistant Mr. Abu Bakar, and all Latif bhai, they all are very hospitable and they all are very good to us. We have learned a lot. And one thing that I will add in my teaching is that I will make the concepts more easier and more practical to the students onwards. Since I have been teaching since last 25 years, but I was a commercial teacher, but after coming here I learned a lot about the experiments of physics. And one more thing that I have learned here, and I appreciate that most of the schools in India are having the scarcity of the equipments and the lab equipments. So in that scarcity, how can we build a lab experimental device for the students? These are the very unique points, you can say unique points for this academy. So I'll suggest you everybody to come over here and learn a lot. If I want to name some of the experiments, they are the experiments of light, about the focal length, to find the focal length of the mirrors and lenses. There are some prism experiment. There are some reflection from the inclined plane mirrors, and there are some more experiments about the electromagnetism, the Lenz law, Faraday's law. Those all demonstration that we have done, and in case of sound we have done a lot of good experiments that will make us amazed about those experiments. So, and there's so many more. You will get a fatigue, you will get a lactic acid deposited at the joints when you are performing the experiment. The maximum experiment will not be ended, you are going to be end. Thank you.